opposition is staging a protest over this issue of the illegal immigrants, allegedly illegal immigrants which were deported from the US. Opposition staging a protest in parliament over the US deportation issue. Okay, we're getting those pictures coming in right now. They're holding some placards. Rahul Gandhi leading that protest. LOP, Rahul Gandhi leading that protest there. We see a couple of Congress leaders there. And remember, this is coming in as the budget session is continuing, day 5. The Congress has been raising this issue and raising the manner in which these illegal immigrants were deported from the US to India. All right, let's go straight across to my colleague Harsha. Harsha, we see that the Congress is raising this issue of the deportation, and in a short while from now, we'll see that Jay Shankar, External Affairs Minister, will be replying soon today. Harsha, what is happening on the ground?
So yes, Shivangi, we have got to know that several Congress MPs have given the business adjournment notice under Rule number 267 in Lok Sabha and in Rajya Sabha under Rule 187, where they have clearly stated that discussion in Parliament should take place on the issue of US deporting Indian, and also the way the Indians were treated in US. They were chained, they were handcuffed, and also this was the protest which was taken by opposition leaders in Parliament, where Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Akhilesh Yadav, all were present and all were using placards, and also this was a symbolic protest where they had chained themselves and handcuffed themselves by stating that Indians have a dignity and Indians can't be insulted. Indians will give it back. These were the matter which were written in the placard. And also we have got to know that the EM Jay Shankar will be responding in Rajya Sabha at around 2 o'clock on this issue, because government is ready with its responses on this entire US issue, and government has clearly stated, Chair, that whenever the Chair will ask Jay Shankar, he will stand up and he will make this statement in both the houses of the Parliament. So yes, we can clearly say that the politics have erupted, and also politics is gearing up in the Parliament on the issue of US deporting Indians, and also how the visuals have come out, the bites which we have heard of several immigrants by stating that how they were treated in US. So now opposition is adamant that this entire issue should be discussed in Parliament. There should be a discussion on what government has done, and also Prime Minister is supposed to visit in US. So this entire issue should be taken up with the US government, that they can't treat Indians the way they have treated. So right now we have to wait till 2 o'clock, because at 2 o'clock EM S. Jay Shankar would be responding and making a statement on the US deporting Indians on our soil. Back to you.
That is right, Harsha. I want to go back to my colleague Samiksha again from the newsroom. Samiksha, we saw chaos in the Lok Sabha over the deportation, and now we see the Congress leader outside the Parliament, outside protesting. Before we saw the chaos inside, and now we see the chaos outside. Go ahead and take our viewers through the latest coming in, Samiksha.
Shivangi, keeping the politics aside, let's once again tell our viewers that important to add here that the MA had issued a statement on the same matter earlier this week, in which it had clearly stated that yes, US is planning to go ahead with this with its deportation of the illegal migrants. There was a conversation that followed between Prime Minister Modi and US President Donald Trump on the same matter. The statement by the MA this week, it said that as India is firmly opposed to illegal migration, especially as it is also linked to other forms of organized crime as part of India-US cooperation on migration and mobility. Both sides are engaged in a process to deter illegal migration. So yes, the MA in its statement also making it amply clear that this issue is something which both US and India have agreed upon, that there is a proper procedure that is to be followed, and the crackdown on illegals will happen irrespective of the country that these illegal migrants hail from. So yes, the first batch of 104 migrants from India have been deported. The MA also issuing a statement, in fact a statement that was also issued by the US Embassy spokesperson on this deportation flight to India. The statement said that the United States is vigorously enforcing its border, tightening immigration laws and removing illegal migrants. These actions send a clear message that illegal migration is not worth the risk. Donald Trump, important to add here, had also made a very important statement that just before he took oath as a US president, that once he is elected as a 47th US president, he will carry out the largest deportation in the US history. Shivangi.